we have about 8 tracks worth of loops from last week, can make a 2-minute piece of music. Hopefully it is relatively interesting, right? I'm not going to say it's a hit, but this is what you can do actually, just with the loops that you tried out last week. If you spread them out, you don't play them all together, you spread them out, you copy and paste, sometimes you have them, sometimes you don't have them, sometimes you chop them up. This is a 2-minute piece of music. So let me take you through the process of how it works so that you have a sense of how you can also put together a 2 or 3-minute piece of music. The first thing was that we started out with the drum, right? So I'm going to solo the drums which are on track 3. Can anybody remember how do I solo a track? I need to click on one of the buttons. Which button do I click? The letter S, very good. Okay, so letter S. The letter S originally was a loop with a lot of sounds. I'm going to bring in that loop now. The original one looked like this. What I did was that I took this, I'm going to zoom in, and I decided I will make a copy of it, paste it on the next line. So now I've got 2 like this, right? I decided I only want the booms. So I click on the vertical line and I stretch across and I just press delete key. Oops. So now I only have the booms. Travolta. Okay, so I want this one also. I'll just put across. I delete and I delete the chart. Is this a boom or a chart? It's a chart. And then another chart. So I get rid of the chart. On the other hand, I decided that I want to, on the next line, I only want the chart. So I delete everything except the chart. Highlight, delete. Highlight, highlight, delete. Highlight, delete. Highlight, delete. So if I just solo the first track, and if I highlight just the second track, if I just solo the second track, what is the benefit of me doing this? Now I can start to add in own beats. Let's say I want to take this, I like this, I copy it, and I can paste into this space here. Paste, paste. Then when I play back, it comes. Or then maybe the snare, the chart, I want to have more. So maybe I'll put one here. So now if I solo both together using shift click of the S, control click of the S, I will hear these 2 tracks together, the 2 background tracks. You can start to make it, to change it of your own self, right? The other one that I wanted to do was, I have this particular, the purple one. This purple, it is, the original sounds like, let me copy a piece for you, the full thing. This is the whole track. Let me solo it. So to me, this is like too much. I don't want to use the whole thing. So what did I do? In this section here, the purple bit, I have actually cut into places so that I hear so that there is more room, there is more expression. I also made that you notice that these parts are called V, and this part is called CH. It's like a verse and a chorus. A verse and a chorus is two different parts of a song. The chorus is usually the more catchy part that you remember. So for the more catchy part, I use the melody that sounds like this. But the thing is that if you play this through the whole song, you will go insane. And it's super annoying if you play through the whole song. That's why when it comes to the verse part, I instead play this. Okay, so there's a variety. So when you take all of these together, that's how you can get a sound that sounds like this. I'm going to delete these parts because I can do it again anytime. Let's see how the whole song works together. You see, now there's a variety. That's how you actually create variety. Then you don't just copy and paste all the way 300 times and then you go insane. Unless you're trying to do that, you hate your neighbors, then you just put the speaker outside the window. But don't, because you get arrested. Yeah. So I hope this gives you an idea what you can do with loops, chopping them up, spreading them out, choosing alternate loops, always staying within the key, which is what I showed you all last week. Those who don't know how to do it within key, you can ask me afterwards. Okay, so please try out with the loops because I know many of you haven't had a chance to try. Who hasn't had a chance to try out anything during the